Hi, this is Mr. Roche. We're back again. We have a pretty great door scene set up, and I wanted to show you some like sort of sample scripts that you can use. I did one thing. I went to the sounds and oopsie on the doors, and I kind of edited the door creak, and it's a little bit like shorter. It's a little weird. But I like it. Okay, and basically what I want to do is I want to sort of go over the scripts that you might use, a script, sample scripts you might use in the door, um, you know, to make it work. This is what it would do. Is if you click on it, it goes to like a scene like that. You can go here, right? So what it lets me do is it lets me go from scene to scene, which is good, right? Okay, and I guess that seems fine. It seems actually pretty good. We can do more stuff with effects and things like that. But basically what you have to do is when you first hit the arrow, on the arrow, you want to make sure that you get rid of the doors so they're hidden, and you also want to make sure the door is closed. Okay. I have my start button now go to the scene with the door. So go here and all the doors will show up, okay? These are all the same, okay? If you look at all the codes for all of these guys, they're all the same. They look like this, very similar. This is the same, okay? And this is the fourth door, okay? But basically what happens is, let's go to the first door. When you start the program, you hide the door because you're not on that scene. The start button brings you to the door scene. When the door scene happens, which mine is called door number 5, okay, what it'll do is it'll switch again, it makes I'm sort of doubly making sure that the door is closed, and I'm going to show it, okay. Otherwise I don't want to see the doors, and so I keep them hidden, okay. And then when you click the door, I'm going to play my sound, okay, which is the knock 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 sound, okay. I'm going to change the costume so it opens. I'm going to play the sound door creak, and then in this case I'm going to set the scene number to 1 so that everything will change on me, okay? I wait for a second. I'm doing that just to make sure that the variable gets set, and then I'm going to go do the change scene, okay? Over in stage, I have something that runs all the scenes. One, it stops all the sounds, but it just goes from scene to scene. So if scene equals 1, then it's going to get this backdrop. If scene becomes 2, then we go to the kitchen. If scene becomes 3, we go to the man of the moon. Okay, 4 is the castle. So each one of these doors has a different scene number. So this one goes to 1, okay, which is going to be like I think it's like the farm. This one goes to 2, okay, which I think is the let's find out. I guess it's space. I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, 2 space. Okay, great. Let's go back. Okay, this is 3. Okay. There we go. Back to 3. Okay. Then let's see. So if I go here, yeah, this is going to go scene 3, and this one's scene 4. And if I click on it, it takes me to the outdoor scene, okay? So with a so what I'm doing is I have one kind of script that I'm using in all my doors with 3 little parts, and I'm also running this on a back end with on the stage, where if the stage when you have certain scene numbers for my scene number variable, I can go to different scenes.